Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change windshield wipers on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself, saving time and money. First, make sure you have the correct replacement wiper blades for your vehicle. You'll also want a soft towel or cloth to protect your windshield. Let's get started by preparing your vehicle for the change. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be sure to place a towel on the windshield to prevent any accidental damage if the arm springs back. Find the small release tab or button on the wiper arm connector, press it, and then slide the old blade straight off the arm. Repeat this for the other side. With the old blades removed, it's time to install your new ones. Take a new blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Then, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the passenger side wiper. Finally, let's perform a quick check. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their operation to ensure they move smoothly and clear the windshield effectively without streaking. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember to replace your wiper blades regularly, typically every 6 to 12 months for optimal visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.